V. Ananthalakshmi, belonging to Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, and this is Electrical Machines Lab. Here we are having both DC machines and AC machines. In AC machines we have alternator, transformers, and we are having induction motors, 3-phase Little induction motor. So these experiments will be doing it for electrical engineering students in the second year, second semester. And also these are the DC motors, and these are the DC motor and generator sets. So in second year, first semester, we are doing it for second year, first semester electrical and electronics engineering students for DC machines lab. And these are this is DC shunt motor, this is also the shunt motor, and this is DC motor and generator set. So these are used for finding magnetic characteristics of a generator, and this is for finding the efficiency of a motor by loading it. We will be doing brake test on the DC shunt motor, and without any loading, we will be predefining and predetermining the motor characteristics and especially the efficiency of the motor. And here on the other side, as I said, these are the AC machine side, and this is the energy meter experiment. We can do it, and we can measure the electrical energy consumed by the resistive load we have applied, and this is the alternator set, and this is the 3-phase induction motor. For doing brake test on DC, the AC 3-phase induction motor, we are using this. In this particular lab, we have inductive load. This is what the inductive load, and this is the resistive load, and this is called 3-phase variac. For varying the voltage, we are using it. So by using this particular lab, the students will be understanding how electrical machines are useful in day-to-day life, and how to test the motors, and also in case of transformers, how to test the transformers before loading and after loading, especially by doing short circuit test and open circuit test. We will be finding the regulation of the transformer and the efficiency of the transformer. This is all about the electrical machines lab.